Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix stuck and frozen Android phone screen. This is the easy method that you can try. If you have that problem, you got stuck, your phone is freezing, it means your phone or your storage or your RAM is 100% usage. So usually the culprit is your storage or and your RAM. So you need to clean up some space, you need to clean up your storage. But if already freezing is a you want to use your phone but it freeze stuck, you can hard reset your phone by press and hold the power button and volume down. So that is the hard reset. So after your phone is reset, you can go to the setting and clear some storage. You can clean up a please without a third party. You can clean up your storage without any application, or just use the storage. Sorry, try to type the storage. Here you can clean manually your phone and try to uninstall unneeded application. So please feel to try to clean up the junk of your phone, to give some space, give some RAM, and eliminate freeze of your Android phone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the text button below. See you in the next video.